As you can see on our tower cam time lapse from this morning, a sunrise in Grand Forks shows the haze still lingering with a bright pink sun, although not shining very bright, and that was the theme throughout much of our afternoon. You can't really tell on satellite and radar where that smoke is until we turn on visible satellite and radar. Even though it's thinning across Minnesota, that's where most of the haze still lingers and right through the Central Valley. What you see here are just cumulus clouds developing along with a cool front that is passing through. Currently in Fargo, we're at 84 degrees with a bit of that haze, and notice the wind continuing to pick up out of the south, sustained at 18 miles per hour, gusting up to 30 miles per hour. Also 84 degrees across the river in Moorhead, and our sunset time tonight will be at 9:20 p.m. In Grand Forks, 86 degrees, wind out of the south-southwest at this hour, sustained at 16 miles per hour and gusting to 29, sunset at 9:25. The wind has been gusty throughout our entire afternoon. Ahead of the cool front that's passing through, the wind has been out of the south, but notice Langdon, Devil's Lake, and Jamestown now have northwesterly winds, which means the front has passed through, about to approach the Valley City and Northern Valley areas. We'll have to watch for that wind shift of when the front finally passes through the region. In your hour-by-hour forecast, here you can kind of spot the front as well, where you see the wind shift. Many areas still in the 80s for the next several hours. And notice this line of clouds and redevelopment of some showers and storms. I say redevelopment because the same front brought some storms out in western and central North Dakota last night, and early this morning, the Devil's Lake area had a few rumbles of thunder before it quickly fell apart. I don't expect any of these storms to be severe. However, some of them may bring some gusty winds, heavy rain, and potentially some tiny hail, but we don't really have the ingredients to create those really strong or severe thunderstorms. What we'll mostly get out of this is some beneficial rainfall, but they'll be fairly isolated or widely scattered in nature before they push out through the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning. Waking up tomorrow, temperatures mostly near 60s, and we're in for another warm one again tomorrow with the addition of that haze returning after the front pushes through. Towards the lunchtime hour, already lots of us in those 70s. For tomorrow, Fargo 86 degrees for your afternoon temperature, 84 in Grand Forks, 82 Langdon, Devil's Lake, and Oaks, 85 in Jamestown. And for some of our Minnesota counties, I expect lots of low to mid 80s as well. 81 in Thief River Falls, 83 in Roseau and Fergus Falls, 82 Bemidji and Detroit Lakes, 85 in Wadena. Now check out this viewer photo, an awesome one with some thistle in the foreground and that hazy sunset last night in the background. Thank you to Nick Curran for sending this one in. That was here near Fargo. Now in your 7-day planner, we can expect temperatures to cool down a bit behind that frontal passage by Wednesday, but also cooling down because cloud cover increases with rain and storms mostly to our south. Our southernmost counties could get grazed with that. We warm up a bit Thursday. We'll have to watch for that haze to return as well. But then, Stacy, we warm up again as we head into the weekend feeling very summer-like. I'm definitely ready for more lake weather. More 90s are on the way.
Absolutely. Look at that weekend. Wow. All right,
Beautiful.
we're going to do it again. All right, thanks, Summer. Another severe